Rahman Institute of Nursing and Paramedical Sciences, when it comes to childbirth, we believe that every second counts. Students are trained in a precise manner in our Obs and Gynae lab using the simulators that are present in our lab.
Our lab uses high-fidelity simulators from normal delivery to complicated births like postpartum hemorrhage and twin births. Students learn not just the procedures, but also how to act with urgency and confidence.
We are trained to monitor labor near the placenta without compromising safety. Simulation helps us master delicate movements like crowning, bleeding, or sign of distress.
Every scenario is practiced for high-risk pregnancy to twins delivery, so making our nurse ready for any emergency in a maternity ward.
From setting up the labor table to preparing the baby receiving tray, every step is crucial. We even simulate caring for the newborn, immediate suctioning, warmth, and documenting Apgar score.
We also learn about oral contraceptive pills, educate patients on family planning with empathy and clarity.
In Rahman Institute of Nursing and Paramedical Sciences, we don't just teach procedures, we prepare the protectors, because in childbirth, a time lost is a life lost.
Every heartbeat matters and every second counts. So in the world of childbirth, care is not only clinical, but it's life-saving.
It's a girl!